I'm going to fit the lift kit back at Freelander one. This is one going to fit 40mm lift. I'm going to get this put in, show you how to do it. Saves time. I've loosened a couple of bolts on here, oiled everything up, bit of penetrating oil, and taken all plastic work out at the back to access top end. Also, if you want to see front fitting, it's in my repair videos with red engine out, so it's been put in, but it's in bits. But head over there if you want to see us fit that. Get on with this. 2 bolts here, bottom of the suspension strut. We're going to pull these first. To save time, let's do a bit of video magic. There we go. So then, I need to make sure we connect this brake hose. Another brake hose, so the anti-lock braking wire. There's braking wire here for ABS. Then a brake hose connected to the back here, so just a push clip, pull down and out. So I've done that, took that clip out, I unscrewed this back at drum here, my brake line, and then fed it through, get it straight shock, ready to go. Now the 2 bolts we knocked nuts off earlier, need to knock these out. Once you've broken that rust seal, they come out. Sort of. That strut now should be completely free at bottom. So we're going to move up inside. Right, here we are inside. 3 nuts on top of here. These will hold strut to the car. Pull these, strut should be 3 and come out. There it is.
Low power.
One strut. Nice. Just drop in here on top. That way. I'll shove these nuts off top to bolt this down. Won't go that far.
Oh God, why now? What? What's the problem now?
No problem. Now they're down fairly tight. There's a big spanner all up top here. give these last nip down. Once you're happy there and tight enough, start going back in. And start with refit. All blocks on top, tighten down. Lift this back in place under here. Coming from the other side. I'm just going to balance that a second. Back inside the vehicle. This brace that came off originally. A little bit back too. Push it up. And 3 nuts back on there. Once all in the nice and tight, back outside. Now we're back out here. Want these 2 securing bolts back in. To these 2. Get the muck out of the threads first. One. That's 2. We don't need camber bolts on back, or so I'm told. If you think it should fit some anyway, let me know in comments. Put this brake line back to where we found it. It's nice and steady knitting this down. They're not very hard, these bolts. There. Like I said, don't over tighten that. It needs to be tight enough not to pull air in, but don't forget, because you've had your brake line off now, you will need to re-bleed these. And then this slide clip that holds the brake line in place. Sometimes a little stiff, these. I just need to pry them a little bit with a bar of some description. Now we just need to hit them up with a torque wrench and that's job done. I'm not saying this is the only way to fit them. This might even be the best way. This is how I did it. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.